Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jinsio ka barek but pila banle group ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila aruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan, ar riwe khandai pra.
Hakasngi jong ka jingli aniam khaddu ya kamet ka basa jong Dr. Andreas takhar u Dr. Mukul sangmaru ula donlang u Dr. Mukul ula ajing keren ru hakne ka jingli aniam khaddu ya u Dr. Andreas ha ka jingkeren ka jong u Dr. Mukul lo yathu ba ula ya ithu ithau pat u Dr. Andreas Naduh kipor ba kitang ya Pule lang Hasin Anthony's College bat nangta kilay Pule bat salang ru ha kapor ba ki Pule Dr. har RIMS hanong ba Impal Kabadan Hakajila Manipur. Naduh kipor batangnya Pule bat haduk kisngi ki bakhaddu jong Dr. Andreas. U Dr. Mukul ulaong baka jingelong Paralok jongki kalong kabajan bha bat man kipor ba usngau kwa ban tip syapang ka kot ka khia jong u ningkong un khot bai tangya u Dr. Andreas. U Dr. Mukul lapla badai u Dr. Andreas ba pun silore u bandrung sikakam san hima sima. Ulai thu ba satangkat tuk anisnam bau Dr. Andreas un syong thaj no nakakam bat kumta kala don ru kanjing selok bahdien ba ula syong thaj ken phai no shikiwei pat kikam kabala ban long ru syakasan perthai
to pay our last respect to our beloved friend and friend of everyone, my friend and my classmate Dr. Andreas. He joined the family, our loving children of that Dr. Andreas, and all the loved ones of the family, friends and relatives. In mourning the untimely demise of our beloved Dr. Andreas. We have lots of fond memories to share. All my friends who have been together since our studies while we were pursuing our academic career to become a medical professional and serve our people. Personally, I have known Dr. Andreas when we were in St. Anthony's College together, and subsequently when we joined RIMS, the then Regional Medical College, as we pursued our courses of studies to become a physician. I remember him as a very sincere, hardworking. He used to be very closely associated in preparing as students because knowing fully well how tough it is in as far as pursuing our career in medical professions themselves. We shared and we faced all the good times, the ups and downs as students. And subsequently, as we joined service to serve the people, we remained very close. And I remember when I decided to join politics, they all were there to motivate me because they all knew that I was probably not going to pursue my medical career, but look for another option. And again, after having been elected, we continue to serve in our different capacities. Whenever I needed any medical checkup or medical review, it was was only Dr. Andreas, whom I used to call, whether it was for me or for my family. And he has been an exemplary physician. I was following his career as a physician, under the government department, and I have reasons to believe that many of our professional colleagues can emulate him in terms of his commitment, sincerity, and love and compassion with which he was receptive. He remained Dr. Andreas throughout his career. Dr. Andreas who used to be very committed and hardworking in everything that he does. It's very rare to see a physician once vested with further responsibilities of administration and governance, continuing to remain glued to his job which he likes most, treating patients. He continued to treat patients. He continued to see patients, doing the rounds in the hospital in spite of becoming SS and Joint Director and subsequently Additional Director. We remember him and we'll miss him. Just last year I was with him. We're looking out the possibilities, exploring the possibilities of how we can aggregate our potentialities and strengths in further augmenting the whole healthcare delivery system with utmost sense of responsibility towards our beloved people of the state. And we were talking about initiating something new after his retirement. That we all those who retire come together and do something great. Well, man proposes, but God disposes. He's no longer with us, but our dreams and the vision that we share in contributing all that we can collectively will still remain as our agenda. I spoke about this with my other friends from RIMS, and I'm sure we'll further continue pursuing this collective desire and collective ambition of continuing giving our best to our beloved people of the state as people belonging to medical fraternity. I join all of you in praying to the Almighty God that the members of the Bearded family, particularly the young daughters, 3 of them, very loving children, receive all the blessings from our gracious Almighty God, that they have the strength to overcome all this irreparable loss, the fortitude to overcome this sense of loss. I sincerely join all of you in the prayers that the departed soul of our beloved, that Dr. Andreas find an eternal peace until we meet again. Goodbye, my friend. May your soul rest in eternal peace.